and Rafa and security personnel in this factory, we bought the old system to try to keep back these suspicious activities, but even the Skrill keep triggering the alarm. Our new UMV security system arrived today. I'm very excited. In order to challenge our UMV system, we came with a lot of test subjects. Let's go ahead and see if the new system can fix the problems. We are going to test it at a fence, a parking lot, and a warehouse, or crucial place in a factory. I don't understand why my parking space keeps getting blocked. Let me see if I can stop these illegal parkers this time. All I need is to install the app and turn the alarm on.
No parking. Please leave.
Something up. No one can take out my parking space anymore. We have 3,000 footprints to monitor. It's not an easy task. We built a temporary testing environment to mimic the application scenarios in reality. An intruder was caught on camera. Let's have a look on the screenshot and the video. All right, last test to go. This is our warehouse. Sometimes suspicious activities happen here more often than other places. Because there are robots running around this warehouse, we also need to avoid mistaking the robot as people. What's that? Looking back at the record video, we can easily find that the segment triggering the alarm is marked red, which is convenient for us to locate the desired information quickly. I need to retrieve the footage when the alarm was off on that fence test day. I hear that our new system can retrieve all footage in a heartbeat.
Yes,